Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer data or your save file from your USB into your PS4 or PS5. Here we go. How to transfer your PS4 data to your PS5. Also, you can do it. Thank you for Asorin.com to provide this article. So let's scroll down. Here we go. The first method, how to transfer data from PS4 to PS5. You have to prepare your Wi-Fi network, or cloud storage, or an external storage drive. So we talk about this one. Use an external storage drive. So prepare your flash drive or prepare your external hard drive. So we can scroll down. This one. Transfer your data using an external storage device. So if you don't have PlayStation Plus account, you can still move your data from one console to the other, or from external hard drive to your console by using USB flash drive or external hard drive. And most games take up an average 40 GB of space on your console. The more games you play and intend to transfer over, the more space you'll need. When transferring over the external hard drive, just make sure to have sample storage space available. Here, how to do it? You can plug in your drive you go to one of the USB port of PS4 or PS5. Then you head to settings, application save data management, and then save data in system storage. Select copy to USB storage device.